Good morning. All right, here I am in my team. This is just one of my teams. If I go over to my assignments, I created this assignment last night. And if I scroll through my list of names, we can see this name here, Carlos Humphreys, Janiah Hurt, and Tamaya Leak. We see these three names. Those students have been removed from the class. So we've got Humphreys, Hurt, and Leak as three examples. So if I go into here, and if I search for Hurt, there's no student name. If I search for Humphreys, nothing matches. If I search for Leak, nothing matches. So none of those students are no longer in my class. And so they're still showing up on the team. So, and even when I go into Insights, they're still showing up on the Insights as well. But they're going to show as inactive because they're not in the class anymore, obviously. And this is not the only class that this is happening to. It is happening in others as well. So, this is another name that I know that has been removed. Last name Gamble. This one here I know has been removed. Here it is, Humphreys, Hurt, and they're showing as inactive this week. And Leak, just as examples. And they also still show up in the class notebook as well, even though they were removed. And I know that that's supposed to be an automatic thing, that they're supposed to be removed. So I remember Tamaya Leak right here is still showing. Carlos Humphreys right here is still showing. Janiah Hurt is still showing. Christian Gaska right here, he's still showing. So they're showing up in assignments even though they were removed. I don't know how to access at what point they were removed, but they're no longer in the class and they're still showing up.